In this video, I wanted to demo the L9110 dual H-bridge motor shield board. It's meant for small DC motors and other like steppers. It can take minimum 2.5 volt to 12 volt, and the amp is very small. It's only 800 milliamp. You probably saw in my sketches or my repository, I have different sketches using analog write and digital write. I like to mix them and use different boards. As you know, analog write to use pulse width modulation, or digital write just to change rotation of a motor, so like using high or low. So here I'll just demo a sketch I did. It's not wireless, but it used a pot for the speed of motors using pulse width modulation and a joystick. As like I said, if you go through my repository, I have different sketches with different scenarios, and that's for like different motor boards. So you can see here forward, backward. That's full speed. That's like 32 RPM geared motors, so they're not that fast. So I'll just bring it down a little. So you can see I can adjust the speed with the pot. The amp are not too high. You can see here both motors 0.15 amp, so that's pretty good. Well, that was it for the L9110.